learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, what's up? It's summertime and time for Practical Hakka on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. For a lot of students out there, it's summer vacation, and of course, you're going to be encounter this dialogue. It's vacation time. Where do you want to go? What do you want to do? 放假了，你要去哪里玩？
不用了嘞，
不用了嘞。
我去哪位了？
哪位了啦哈？我去哪位了？你要去哪里玩？ Where do you want to go have fun? All right. It's also maybe family time. 这个时候呢，家人呢也会尽量去配合家中小孩的时间，顺道就出国旅游嘛，对不对？爸爸妈妈从公司请假1个礼拜、2个礼拜，然后到国外去这个旅游。好 ，maybe the whole family is gonna go abroad and take a vacation. OK， 我们全家要出国，怎么说？
爱到，
爱到，
几家人，
几家人，
爱出国。
爱出国 ，OK， 出国以前教过就是出国，但是这个几家人
就是全家，
就是你家，哎，不是，
也是我家吗？不是，
我们在做广告了，不对，全家 that means the whole family，OK。
那全家就是我们，
就是我家，
可是我要说海陆家。
Oh, different dialect, yes.
几家人，
几家人 ，OK, that's different dialect of saying 全家。哎，那如果你们去那个便利商店，就叫几家人便利商店吗？
有这样不能这样讲。
好了 ，OK, the whole sentence again is
爱到几家人爱出国，
愛到幾家人愛出國 Okay? Or maybe you're just going to have fun with some friends. And here in Taiwan, 其實台灣也很好玩，光是環島就可以讓你玩1個月。我跟你講，真的如果要深入的去玩，玩不完呢。So some people choose to go around the island and take a vacation around the island. Okay? 我要和朋友環島 That's what I'm going to do with my friend. Go around the island.
愛老朋友環島，
愛老朋友環島。
就是環島
哦，那是環島的意思，環島 Okay, that means around the island. And 朋友 that means friend. So I'm going to have an around the island trip with my friend. Okay, very simple. Let's review the dialogue again. 放假了, it's vacation time.
不用了嘞，
不用了嘞. And where are you going to have fun? 你要去哪里玩？
愛去哪位了？
愛去哪位了？ And whether it's with your family or with friends, 不管是跟朋友还是跟家人，希望大家好好充实的過一個暑假了。That does today's Practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺子say張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.